Welcome back to Quiz Galz, family! Today we're playing Guess the Iconic Logo Sound. Let's test your skills with familiar logo sounds from McDonald's, Apple, TikTok, Netflix, and more. Before we jump in, a huge shout out to all our awesome players who left a comment last time. Want to see your name next? Just drop a comment below. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Quiz Galz family. Grab your headphones, turn up the volume, and let's jump right in. Can you get this first logo? Yes, that's 20th Century Fox. Which logo sounds like this? You got it, Xbox! Think you know this one? Yep, that's Netflix. Guess this next logo. It's McDonald's. Which logo makes this sound?
Mama, my baby back, baby back, baby back. Mama, my baby back, baby back, baby back.
That's correct! Chili's!
Mama, my baby back. Chili's. Mama, my baby back ribs.
Which logo sound is this? That's Taco Bell!
Only at Taco Bell.
Let's see if you know this one. That's State Farm. Which logo has this tune? You nailed it, NBC! Ready for the next sound?
Give me a break, give me a break, break me off a piece of that.
It's Kit Kat.
Give me a break, give me a break, break me off a piece of that Kit Kat bar.
You're doing great. Guess this one?
would you do?
That's Klondike.
What would you do for a Klondike bar?
Which logo makes this sound?
Best part of breaking up.
You guessed it, Folgers.
Best part of breaking up is Folgers in your cup.
Which logo comes with this jingle?
I love me Lucky Charms, they're magically delicious.
It's Lucky Charms.
I love me Lucky Charms, they're magically delicious.
Here we go again. Which logo matches this tune?
Red Robin.
That's Red Robin.
Red Robin. Yum.
Listen close. Which logo's behind this sound?
Plop, plop, this is, oh, what a relief it is.
It's Alka-Seltzer.
Plop, plop, this is, oh, what a relief it is.
Which logo do you think this is? That's Old Spice.
Old Spice.
Next up, which logo makes this sound? Yep, Coca-Cola. Would you rather like this video or subscribe to Quiz Galz? Why not do both? It really helps our little channel grow. And let us know you're having fun in the comments below. Now, let's continue with round 2 logos. First one. Can you guess this one?
Both delicious. Rice.
That's right, Rice-A-Roni.
Rice-A-Roni, the San Francisco treat.
What about this one? You got it, Nokia. Any idea what this sound is? Yes, tick-tock. Recognize this one? You nailed it! Tums! How about this one? Correct! WhatsApp. Think you know this? You got it. Paramount. Got this one? Yep, Apple. Can you name this one? That's right, Burger King. What's your guess here? You got it, Target. Know this sound? Exactly. Best Buy. Who does this belong to? Correct! Yahoo! This one sound familiar? You nailed it! Skype! Guess this brand?
Meow, 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 meow.
You got it, Meow Mix.
Meow, 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 meow.
How about this? Right? Disney. You're recognize this one? That's right, Universal! Last one, can you guess it? You got it, Messenger. That's all the logos we have today. How many did you get right? Be honest. Drop your score in the comments below. Remember to like and subscribe for more fun quizzes every week. Pick your next challenge and we'll see you there.